Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Orange County Science and Engineering Fair's introductory video on the application registration phase. Now, you should start off on a page that looks similar to this. This is your application portal and is where you're going to be filling out all of your tasks in order to bring you past the application registration phase. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is hit on this instructions for using the portal. This is a list of tips and guidelines for filling out your application registration phase. They go into a lot of detail about everything that you need to do, as well as all of the different requirements for tasks during this stage. For example, we can go down. It has instructions for all of your uploads. It gives you more information on how to submit your project. It goes into more information on your summary report, on your video, poster, and logbook. Now, once you have read through all of this information and are confident that you know and understand this information, you must go down here and hit this yes button and then hit next. Now, this circle will turn green. What's important is that you go down and hit next again. And then go down and hit it one more time. You mark it as complete task. And then now that green circle will turn into a green check mark. This is important since all of your circles have to be green check marks in order for your project to be able to be submitted. So if we go back down here again, there's no longer anywhere for us to further this part of the task. Now, your second task. These will be all tips for your video. So each project is going to have to submit a 3-minute video. And what's important to note about this video is it needs to be 3 minutes, but it needs to be divided by how many partners there are in the group. So for example, if there are 2 partners in the group, each partner must submit a 1.5-minute video. Then that must be stitched together into one single 3-minute video. There are a lot of great stitching places, like YouTube has a lot of great resources. Watch out for a video on how to do all of that soon. Next, we have this legal disclaimers tag, which goes into your agreements on acknowledging your work. Then if we go to the student information, we have all of this information here. This makes sure that this information is the same as the one on your initial project screening, but it will ask you what division you're in as well as your category. This is all important information for judging your project. One really important tip when going through the next steps here, because all of this deals with your individual projects, are you must make sure that the information that your project is the same project as you submitted in your initial project screening, which was the stage before this. If they do not match, what will happen, and we will see that they don't match, is you'll have to go through the whole process again, and in the worst case, you won't be able to participate in the Orange County Science and Engineering Fair. So with that out of the way, one of your requirements is that you need to upload a poster board or a digital template / PowerPoint. So you can go here, select your division, select your category. Then you'll have 4 different uploads here for your for the different sections of your poster board. So you'll have the left side the center, the right side, and then a full picture. And more information on your poster board and the requirements can be found at this link here. If you scroll down, one specific thing to mention is that it's going to slightly differ based on whether or not you have a science project or an engineering project. But that link will be at the top there always. And you can also find this link on the Orange County Science and Engineering Fair, which leads you into a lot more detail on your on the template for this poster board. Next, project science notebook or logbook pictures. So this is really important. Taking pictures of at least 4 pages or 5 pages, I'm sorry, 5 pages of your notebook. We really prefer handwritten notes. As you can see here, 5 spots to upload. So just take a picture of your notes, of 5 pages of your notes, and then upload them into this section. Project summary report is the next section. It is really important that is no more than 1,000 words, and it's also important that it's the same as your initial project, or that the content is similar to your initial project screening, so showing that the projects are the same. One thing that needs to be said is that if it's over 1,000 words, this is an automated process, so your application will actually be rejected if it's more than 1,000 words. So what we recommend is going into a Google Doc or a Word document and using their word count function in order to make sure that you're within the word limit, and then pasting it into here. Now, like I touched on before, there is no more than a 3-minute video, please. As you can see, there's a max file size as well, and this is important. You must stay within this max file size. And like I said before, if you have multiple partners, please split up the video based on how many partners there are. So if you have 2 partners, 1.5 minutes each. If there are 3 people in the group, 1 minute each, and then combine that all together into one 3-minute video. And then attach that here, but please make sure it's within 3 minutes. Then there's this form here, which you're going to need to download and sign here. There is a attached link here for that. And then you'll have your electronic signature here, just a sign for you to do. I'll do a demonstration of that here. As we see, we get the green check mark. Then once all of this is done and submitted, you can hit this review button here to review your submissions, and then finally the submit button here. One quick thing to mention is if you forgot from the initial project screening, back on the portal page, if you have multiple partners, you can hit this add collaborator button here in order to add your partners in, whoever the person is who is the lead of the application. Great, thank you so much for reviewing this video. Again, keep your eyes out for a video regarding the creation of your video. Until then, everyone, good luck on your projects. Thank you so much.